Nobody saw this coming. Not fans, not Hollywood insiders, not even the tabloids. Alexander Daddario, one of Hollywood's fastest rising stars, has reportedly split from producer Andrew Form. And the most shocking part, there was no scandal, no cheating rumors, no public fights, no messy headlines, just silence. And sometimes in Hollywood, silence is louder than drama. Stay with me because this story is deeper than it looks. Let's rewind. They got married in 2022 in a dreamy New Orleans ceremony. Private, romantic, low key. To the public, it felt stable. Daddario was not chasing cloud relationships, and reform was not a tabloid regular. This was not a PR romance, it felt real, which is exactly why this hits harder. Because when the stable couples split, it shakes perception. Now, here's where things get interesting. Dario's career has exploded. After The White Lotus, she became globally recognized in a different way. Not just the actress, but prestige, TV validated, award conversations, major streaming deals, higher tier projects. At the same time, Andrew Form continues producing high level studio films, two intense careers, two massive schedules, two public lives, and Hollywood has a pattern when both careers accelerate, relationships feel the pressure. That's not scandal, that's reality. Sources describe the separation as private and respectful. No accusations, no explosive statements. But here's what makes this viral: the internet fills in silence with speculation. And when there is no story given, people create one. Social media immediately started asking, was it work? Was it distance? Was it timing? Was it growth in different directions? And one speculation starts, it never really stops. Now let's talk industry impact. Hollywood is not just about love, it's about image. Nadario's public image has been elegant, grounded, private, classy. This split does not damage that. If anything, handling it quietly reinforces it. Does this mark a shift in her career focus? Because historically, when major actresses go through personal resets, career momentum often accelerates, it becomes a new era, and fans are already calling this her independent era. Here's something most people don't think about: Hollywood relationships operate under extreme pressure, constant travel, public scrutiny, career unpredictability, relocation demands, image management. It's not normal life, it's amplified life. And when two people are building empires at the same time, the emotional cost can be high. Again, not scandal, but pressure changes dynamics. The reaction online divided. Some fans are heartbroken, some are speculating, some are defending her privacy fiercely. But one thing is clear: people care, and when audiences care this much, that's cultural relevance. This is not just celebrity gossip, it's a moment in a rising star's timeline. Right now, neither Alexandra Daddario or nor Andrew Form has released dramatic statements, and maybe they won't. Maybe this really is just two adults choosing different paths. But in Hollywood, every quiet decision echoes loudly. The real question is not what went wrong, it's what comes next. Because sometimes a split is not the end of a story, it's the beginning of a completely new chapter. And if history tells us anything career wise, this could be her biggest era yet. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you like this video. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more Hollywood updates, celebrity news, and real time entertainment analysis. We are just getting started. More stories, more exclusives, more behind the scenes insights. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.